do you have to say regarding the order that has been passed by the Supreme Court? Definitely a big relief for the victim family.
Satyamev Jayate. We were hoping for this order, and finally we have got this. Thank God for this. Thanks Supreme Court for this. Thanks to all the media, ANI especially, because you've been raising it from day one. The moment we got to know from High Court, it was the ANI who reached out, and I appreciate your zeal to support the victim, and definitely it wouldn't have been possible without the support of the media. And Supreme Court has been very sensitive towards this. Whatever points I have got sitting outside, I think they have been very sensitive towards this case, and it is not only about this case, because this case was the very basic of justice. And I think justice, if we have received from here, it will give a message to the all the daughters of the country that they can report their violence, and it will be taken to task.
What kind of a severe punishment do you expect in this case? And
we just wanted them to maintain what it was like. We wanted the bail to be cancelled, and he got a very strict punishment in this particular case and other things, and it should be maintained the way it was.
Life imprisonment